सरता बक़दम है तन सुल्तान ज़मन फूल, सरता बक़दम है तन सुल्तान ज़मन फूल, लब फूल दहन फूल ज़बन फूल बदन फूल, लब फूल दहन फूल ज़बन फूल बदन फूल।
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Allah Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu had written, Sarta baqadam hai tane sultan zaman phool. Allahu Akbar. He says, from the sacred head to the blessed feet of the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, the entire body of the king of every era is elegant. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Lab phool dahan, phool zaqan, phool badan phool. Elegant are his blessed lips, his mouth and his chin. Subhanallah. Lab means lip, dahan means mouth, zaqan means chin. Allah Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, in other words, is praising the body parts of our beloved Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, wherein he says, elegant are his lips, his mouth, his chin. Truly elegant is his entire body. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. How fortunate are those Sahaba Ikram who touched the blessed hands, who seen the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. So therefore, dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel, Sayyidi Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmed Raza Khan alayhi Rahmat uses the word phool. What does the meaning of phool mean in Urdu? It means flower. To express the exquisiteness of the blessed body of the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. But it is being applied in the sense of elegance and fragrance. Allah Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu wants to convey this beautiful message to the ummah of our beloved Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, that the blessed body of our beloved Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam is most elegant and the most fragrant. Subhanallah. It is such elegance and fragrance which is incomparable. It cannot be compared to the beautiful body of our beloved Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Yes, dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel, to back up what I am saying, Hazrat Mujaddid Al-Fisani Rahmatullahi Ta'ala states, in the entire creation, there is none more elegant than our beloved Nabi Sallallahu Ta'ala Alayhi Wasallam. This is why Allah Azza wa Jal did not give him a shadow. Yes, dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel, every human being has saya, every human being has a shadow. But our beloved Nabi Sallallahu Ta'ala Alayhi Wasallam did not have a shadow. Do you know the fragrance from the blessed body of Sayyiduna wa Maulana Rasulullah Sallallahu Ta'ala Alayhi Wasallam was unique in every way. It is mentioned that no fragrance compared or compares to it. There is nothing which was more fragrant than the blessed body of our Aqa Sallallahu Ta'ala Alayhi Wasallam. Allah Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is teaching us our aqidah, and via his ash'ar and poetry he is telling you that Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Ta'ala Alayhi Wasallam is unique in every way. He says in another naat, सबसे औला वाला हमारा नबी, सबसे बाला वाला हमारा नबी, क्या खबर कितने तारे खिले छुप गए, पर न डूबे न डूबा हमारा नबी. Our beloved Nabi Sallallahu Ta'ala Alayhi Wasallam is unique, he is special, and there was no one like him, there is no one like him, and never would there be anyone like our beloved Nabi Sallallahu Ta'ala Alayhi Wasallam. Chale, let's listen to another beautiful narration. It is reported that when the beloved Rasul Sallallahu Ta'ala Alayhi Wasallam would emerge from his blessed house, and when he would enter the masjid, then all would become aware of his blessed arrival due to the unique fragrance which originated from his blessed body. Subhanallah. Aqa tashrif la rahe hain, Sahaba Ikram ko pata chal jata hai ki sarkar do alam tashrif la rahe hain. Why? Because whichever gali, whichever path my Aqa, my Master Sallallahu Ta'ala Alayhi Wasallam passed by, that gali, that area, that passage, that place also became fragrant. Subhanallah. Sarta baqadam hai tane sultan zaman phool, lab phool, dahan phool, zaqan phool, badan phool.
सरता बक़दम है तन सुल्तान ज़मन फूल, सरता बक़दम है तन सुल्तान ज़मन फूल, लब फूल दहन फूल सकन फूल बदन फूल, लब फूल दहन
क्या बात है,
फूल सकन फूल बदन फूल।